Next up, we got some clips from Open House.
Let's go, Trojans!
Next up, we got some clips from the volleyball game. Next up, we got some cross-country clips.
I'm Jeremiah Horton. I'm here with the freshman Trojan team. What's your name?
Hey, bro. Maximo Mendoza.
Jaden Wilson.
Julio Soledad.
Tina Montoya. Anthony Jaime.
Anderson Burgo.
Yvonne Fonseca.
Luis Elaya.
All right, y'all. Good luck on y'all race today. I want to see y'all out there in front and make us look good. Yeah. All right, my name is Jeremiah Horton, and I'm here with
Coach Rojas.
Okay, Coach Rojas. How did you feel about the meet today?
I'm really happy with today's meet. We had a lot of PRs. We had we had kids medal, so I'm really happy with it.
All right, and then what do you think we'll be doing next week in practice to help us improve and get better for the next race?
So next week we will be running in Galveston, so you guys get to run on the beach. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do another tempo run to help with pacing and help everyone stay together, and we will also be doing speed work to help you out with that finish.
And then how long have you been coaching here, and what is your favorite thing about it?
So this is my third year coaching here, and my favorite thing about it is you kids. You know, I ran here, I ran for this program, graduated from here. This program is the one that helped me be ready to run in college, so I love that, and I love sharing what I know with you kids, and so you guys are the ones who make it worth it.
All right, thank you.